Finding the best futures day trading strategy is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It all depends on your personality, risk tolerance, and the market you're trading. But here's a strategy that pros swear by. Trend following with price action confirmation. Step 1. Identify the trend direction using moving averages. Step 2. Wait for price action to confirm the trend. Step 3. Enter the trade with confidence, knowing the trend is your friend. Following with price action strategy? Yeah, that's not easy, but here's how I tackle it in 3 steps. Step 1. Focus on high liquidity futures like ES, NQ, CL, and GC. We're analyzing, not gambling on a whim. Step 2. Watch for key price action signals. Perfect time to question all your trading decisions. Final step. Execute trades with discipline and precision. Boom. Potential profits and find the best entry points? Yeah, that's not easy. But here's how I do it with 2 key indicators. Step 1. Use the 20 and 50 EMA to gauge trend direction. These moving averages help me see where the market is heading. Step 2. Check the VWAP for the intraday value area. This tells me if the price is over or undervalued during the day. Final step. Combine these insights for smarter trading decisions. Boom. Better trades, less stress. Action tools and predict the market? Yeah, that's not happening, but here's how I fake it in 3 steps. Step 1. Identify support and resistance zones. These are your market safety nets and ceilings. Step 2. Spot candlestick patterns like pin bars and engulfing candles. Perfect time to analyze market sentiment and trends. Final step. Draw trend lines and look for flags. Boom. Instant market insight. No crystal ball required. Want to spot a trend in the market? Here's how you do it in 3 steps. Step 1. Use EMAs. If the price is above both EMAs and they're sloping upward, it's a bullish trend. Step 2. Confirm with higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend. Or look for lower lows and lower highs for a downtrend. Step 3. Trust the trend and make informed decisions. Boom. You're now a trend spotting pro. Ever feel like you're waiting for the perfect moment? That's what I do with trading, waiting for a pullback. First, I watch for the price to pull back to a dynamic support level. This could be an EMA or a trend line. Then, I look for a strong candle rejecting that level. An engulfing or pin bar candle is what I need. It's all about patience and timing. Just like in life, the right moment makes all the difference. And have a perfect trade every time? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I manage it in 3 steps. Step 1. Enter at the close of the confirming candle. We are trading, not gambling on a whim. Step 2. Place your stop loss just below the pullback swing. Perfect time to double-check your risk management strategy. Final step. Monitor the trade like you actually care about your portfolio. Boom. Potential profit, no unnecessary risk. In trading, it's all about setting your target and exit strategy. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.1.5 or higher. Use recent market structure like previous highs or lows for your exit, or consider a trailing stop to lock in profits as the market moves. This way, you maximize gains while minimizing risk. Remember, it's not just about entering the trade, but how you exit. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan. That's how you turn potential into profit. Ready to elevate your trading game? I'm about to put you on to 3 risk management tips that will change your trading game. Tip number 1. Risk only 2% per trade max to protect your capital. Smart trading? Unlocked. Tip number 2. Use a tight stop loss tailored to your strategy. No more unexpected losses. I got you. Tip number 3. Avoid trading during major news releases, because your portfolio deserves stability too. Duh. I'm about to share 3 pro trading tips that can elevate your game. Tip number 1. Backtest thoroughly. It's your safety net before diving in. Tip number 2. Avoid overtrading. Remember, quality over quantity. Tip number 3. Journal each trade. It's the secret to long-term success. Which tip will you implement first? Or did I just inspire you to refine your strategy? Be honest.